Okay, guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use VoiceThread. We're going to do this to make a journal entry, and instead of writing the journal in a notebook or typing it out, what you're going to do is you're actually going to make an audio recording and corresponding visuals about your experience as an immigrant coming through Ellis Island. So when you go to VoiceThread here, first obviously you're going to register and sign up, and we'll do that as a class together. But if you go over here to home, this will show you like where your projects are so far. Browse over here will allow you to see what other people are doing. We've got like right here a Great Depression poetry project, so you can kind of get an idea of how people are putting together their others. Now under Create, you're going to go to Add Media, and up to, you can either add pictures from your own computer, so if you wanted to make some antique looking photos of yourselves dressed up going to Ellis Island, you could do that, or you could go down to media sources, or you could use a picture, again, either from your webcam or video from your webcam. But right now we'll just go to media sources so you have an idea of how it works. Let's say we wanted to go to the New York Public Library, and you can go right up to the search box and type in whatever you're looking for. So in this case it's Ellis Island. And actually this is great because you actually have pictures of people who passed through there, since the New York Public Library actually holds a lot of those documents. Now you can click on a document and you can go over to import, and that will save the document to your project. This is where you have the opportunity to write in what your project is. So I'm just going to call this Ellis Island Journal, and then save it. And so now I'll go, here's a nice picture of Ellis Island. This is this guy right here. Maybe this piece of mail. Alright, so once I've selected all the pictures and videos that I could want, I'm going to go back, I'm going to exit out of that, and I'm going to go back to my create page here. And it's all set up. So we've already added all the media we want to add. And now we're going to go to where it says comment. And what this is going to do is it's going to set up your presentation. This looks a lot like it might look on a PowerPoint or something, and you can scroll right and left with your pictures. But what you can do is on each picture you can add a comment. Now on that comment you have a variety of ways that you can leave that. Now I'm going to ask you to go up here to the microphone right at the top. Now when you click on it, it's going to come up with a recording box. It's going to go ahead and allow it on your computer. Alright, so here's when you have the ability to start recording your journal. So you might want to write a rough draft of this on a piece of paper first. Actually, I would suggest you would, highlighting your experiences, and you'll look at the rubric to see the types of things that need to come up in your journal. But you can record it on this one. So when I'm done talking about it, I could say, I was born on February 28th in Poland in whatever year, and then I could stop it. Alright, so here's when you have the ability to start. And now you see that it recorded it. So I'm going to be like, okay, that's good. I'm going to save it. And then you're going to move on to your next slide, and you're going to do the next one, and you're going to comment on that as well. So you're going to do this with all of your slides so that you have one long video with corresponding visuals. So when we're done with that, we can go ahead and hit exit. You should have a comment on all of these, and then you can go to share, and you can copy the link and then just go up and email it to me.